Alexandre Gustave Eiffel, born in Côte d'Or, France, was the son of a German immigrant family who adopted the name Eiffel after the Eiffel Mountains. His early life was shaped by his mother's successful charcoal and coal business, allowing him to pursue education, which he initially found dull but later engaged with, thanks to inspiring teachers. Eiffel studied at the École Centrale, specializing in chemistry, and graduated in 1855. His career began with the company Belgique de Matériels de Chemin de Fer, where he worked on significant railway projects, including a notable bridge in Bordeaux, utilizing innovative engineering techniques. By 1865, seeking new opportunities, he became an independent consulting engineer and gained recognition for projects across Europe. In 1881, Eiffel collaborated with Auguste Bartholdi on the Statue of Liberty, designing its internal structure. His most famous achievement, however, came with the Eiffel Tower, conceived initially by his engineers Koechlin and Noguier for the 1889 Exposition Universelle. The project faced considerable artistic opposition but ultimately established Eiffel as a preeminent engineer, showcasing modern engineering prowess and serving as a lasting symbol of Paris. Gustave Eiffel's engineering prowess was evident from the beginning of the Eiffel Tower's construction, which began on January 28, 1887. The foundations, particularly for the legs closer to the Seine, involved intricate methods using compressed air caissons to drive deep piles, showcasing innovative techniques. By June 30, the foundations were complete, and meticulous planning resulted in over 1,700 general and 3,629 detailed drawings for the project. The assembly process was precise, with parts pre-manufactured and adjustments made as necessary. Eiffel's engineers initially constructed the legs as cantilevers, which drew criticism and sensational headlines about Eiffel's sanity. However, construction progressed, and by March 1888, the legs were successfully connected. Eiffel's involvement in the Panama Canal project in 1887 marked a turning point, as he faced scandal after the project's financial collapse. Though he was initially convicted of misuse of funds, he was acquitted on appeal and stepped away from his company. Later in his career, Eiffel focused on aerodynamics and meteorology, conducting pioneering experiments on air resistance and establishing a wind tunnel at the Eiffel Tower. His contributions were recognized with awards, and his work laid foundational principles for aviation. Eiffel passed away on December 27, 1923, leaving a legacy marked by iconic structures like the Eiffel Tower and the Statue of Liberty, both symbols of innovation and engineering excellence. His analytical approach and commitment to precision have profoundly influenced modern engineering practices. Several notable bridges associated with Gustave Eiffel's work or influence met unfortunate fates. Eiffel Bridge in Zrenjanin, constructed in 1904, this bridge was dismantled in 1969 after serving its purpose for several decades. Bersbruck in Münchenstein, Switzerland, this bridge, completed in 1891, tragically collapsed, resulting in the Münchenstein rail disaster that claimed over 70 lives. The incident highlighted the critical importance of structural integrity and safety in engineering. Souleuvre Viaduct, built in 1893, this bridge had its spans removed over time, but the piers remain as a testament to its original construction. These examples reflect the challenges and risks associated with engineering projects, particularly in the early years of iron and steel construction. Heritage protection efforts for Gustave Eiffel's works have gained significant traction in recent years, especially for structures at risk of demolition. Notably, the railway bridge of Bordeaux, or Passerelle Saint-Jean, faced a proposal for demolition that sparked public outcry. In response to these concerns, the Association of the Descendants of Gustave Eiffel began advocating for the bridge's preservation in 2002. This movement gained momentum when the association, Sauvons la Passerelle Eiffel, joined the efforts in 2005. Their combined advocacy culminated in 2010, when the bridge was officially listed as a French historical monument, securing its protection and recognizing its significance as one of Eiffel's earliest major works. These efforts reflect a growing awareness of the cultural and historical value of Eiffel's engineering legacy, ensuring that his contributions continue to be appreciated and preserved for future generations. Our Anthropology thanks Gustave Eiffel for his outstanding contributions around the world, and we thank you, the viewer, for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing.